Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to analyze overall question paper of the Macaut first and third semester students. Okay, so वही Macaut first and third semester students का question paper को मैं analyze करने वाला हूँ. I will give you complete detail about the question paper, whether there is something error or not, what was the level of examination, and what is the scope of the score, guys. Okay, so in this video I will give you complete detail. So make sure to watch the video, guys, completely. Okay. So let me start the video, guys. Okay, so friend, let me start the discussion with the level of question. Okay, so friend, you can clearly visualize that I have the all questions paper of basically this is the third and first semester students. Okay, so what is the level of question, guys? Okay, so if we analyze the level of question, then guys, first analyzing the level of question for the first semester student, then overall the level of question by the medium. Okay, which so yeah, you can say in terms of the basic electrical and some other question paper was basically medium to easy level, guys. Okay, so overall level of question for the first semester was medium, and for the third semester student, guys, actually I can say some of the question paper are really difficult in the sense, guys, that I will talk in the later, that question was basically not uniform to the all module. Okay, and I think that this is the worst and demerit of the Macaut, that they should set the question in a such a way that uh, all questions are basically uniformly distributed, and at least there must be one question from the all module, guys. Okay, because what is the role or what is the basically नेसेसिटी ऑफ गिविंग द ऑल मॉड्यूल. अगर आपको भाई हर एक मॉड्यूल से क्वेश्चन पेपर नहीं देना, देन आपको क्वेश्चन सेट करने का ये कोई मुझे पैटर्न अच्छा लगा नहीं भाई. ओके, so overall level of question for the first semester was, you can say, easy to medium. Okay, and for the third semester guy little bit hard, especially for the double E and triple E students. Okay, CSC by, if I talk to the CSC student, for the CSC students actually question was really easy to medium level, especially for the economics, you can say. And what can we say, DSA is very easy. Okay, but as we move further, such as the mathematics, and you can say the computer organization, then there is a little bit, you can say, medium level question, and analog little bit hard, guys. Okay, according to me. Okay, and I have also taken review from various students. Okay, so guys, moving to the next part, that is the question distribution, that is the uneven question distribution, guys. This is the problem that I already discussed with you, guys, that Macau or the question setter, I don't think that how they set the question paper, because question paper should be setted in such a way that at least there must be one or two questions from every module. If the question will not come from each module, then what is the purpose of giving all module, guys? अगर आपने क्वेश्चन पेपर दिया ही नहीं सब मॉड्यूल से, देन ये कोई मतलब ही नहीं निकल गया. और ओके, I have seen the question paper of the first semester student little bit okay, but for the third semester student, they have basically give the question paper from first and second module only. Okay, so this is not good thing, because those students who haven't read the first or second module, those who are student who have written the third, fourth, and not read the first, then this is not good things, because they should give the question in such a way. Okay, so I will appeal to the Macaut that try to give the question in uniform way. Okay, because this is not good thing. Okay, especially in the mathematics में देखा गया that from the sequence and series most of the question came, about 50 to 60% came. Okay, but in comparison to the graph theory, only one and two question came. So this is not good. Okay, because I think that graph is very important, and I don't know why this actually happened. Okay, this may happen due to the first time, but whatever the reason, I'm basically not satisfied with the question distribution pattern. Okay, so this is all things, guys. Okay, now moving to the next part, very important, guys, that incomplete question. Okay, so there are also seen, and actually there are some students who have basically commented me, bhaiya, there are some question which is incomplete, or there are some question which is basically out of syllabus. Especially I can talk to the computer organization for the third semester students. Okay, there is actually one question, that is what is FLYNN structure. Okay, I have basically visited the complete module, and they have basically not written about the FLYNN. Okay, so I think that this was the question out of syllabus, but if you have attempted, then I think, okay, because I have also asked to the one teacher, and they haven't replied it, but I think that this is out of syllabus. If you have attempted either right or wrong, you will get full marks, guys. Okay, so मैं ऑलरेडी बता चुका हूँ कि अगर आपने कोई क्वेश्चन को अटेम्प्ट नहीं किया, then you will get full marks if that is basically out of syllabus. Okay, so this is all things, guys. Okay, आप जरूर बताएं कि आपका एग्जाम ओवरऑल कैसा गया, एंड बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर द अपकमिंग सेमेस्टर एग्जामिनेशन, गाइस. So this is all things. Must comment here if you have any doubt, and if you want to share anything with you, with me. Okay, and must like the video, guys. Okay, so I hope video was informative to you. Till then, bye bye, meet you in the next video. Jai Hind.